Morning to everyone. Today we will have the revision of exercise 8.2 question number 5. In the previous video we had seen the revision of exercise 8.1 and 8.2 question 1 to 4, isn't it? Today we are going to see the revision of question number 5. So here is the question. Find the whole quantity if 5% of it is 600. Let us assume that whole quantity be x, then what you have to do, since here it is asked about the whole quantity, isn't it? So what is the question we are having? 5% of x is 600. This is the question we are having, isn't it? So what we have to do is we have to find out the 5% of x is 600. That means 5%, that means 1 by 100, of means into x is means equals to 600. So in this way you have to solve. Understood everyone? So what is said in the question? 5% of it is, that means it is means we have to consider the unknown variable x whose value we have to find. Is, that means equals to 600, isn't it? So 5 into percent, that means 1 by 100, of that means into x is equals to 600. We will have this equation. So 5 into 1, 5 into x will be 5x upon 100 is equals to 600. Will be like this. Now after that we have to find the value of 5x is equals to 600 into 100 upon 5. Okay, since we want to find the value of the whole quantity, that is x. Okay, so how to solve it? 600 into 100, it will be equals to 60,000. Okay, that 60,000 will be divided by 5. You will get the answer as 12,000. Clear everyone? In the same way you have to do the next question. What is the next question revision we will have today? That is 12% of it, that means the whole quantity we are going to consider as x, is, that means equals to 1080. Clear up to here? So as I told you how to solve the a part, in the same way you have to solve the b part. That is 12%, that means 12 into 1 by 100 of, that means into sign, x is equals to is, that means equals to 1080. Okay, so it will be 12x upon 100 is equals to 1080. Then in order to find the whole quantity value, that is x, 1080 divided by 12 into 100. Okay, when you are going to solve this equation, you will get the required answer as 9000. Then after, the next c part. In the c part also you have to solve as it is, that is 40% of it is 500 kilometers. Okay, double time k is written, it is here, it is a single time k. So 40 into 1 by 100 into x is equals to 500. When you are going to solve the value, you will get the answer as 1250 kilometers. Then next one will 70% of it is 14 minutes. Clear? So 17%, that means 70 into 1 by 100 into x is equals to 14 minutes, isn't it? So here 1 zeros from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. What is the number left out? 7x upon 10. That 10 will be transposed and multiplied with 14. So it will be 140 divided by 7 to get the value of x, isn't it? So the value of x will be 20, since it will be get cancelled by the table of 7, isn't it? That's it. So here hope you people understood the solutions. Same way you have to do the e part. Clear student? So next question we are having 6th. Convert given percent to decimal fraction and also fraction in simplest form. So here we are having the numbers in the form of a percent. Okay, and we have to convert that percent into decimal fraction, and after converting it into the decimal fraction we have to find out its simplest form. So in the first, when we have started this chapter revision, what I told you, when any number is converted into percent, it will be, that number will be multiplied with 1 by 100, then only it is converted into percent, isn't it? So that the number will converted into percent. when a number we have to convert into the percent number, that means a fractional number or any number, we will going to multiply it 1 by 100, then it will be automatically get converted. So in the same way, when we are converting the percent into a number, what we have to do, we have to just divide that number with percent, that is 1 by 100. We have to divide that particular number with 100 to get the result in the form of a percent. So here we are having 25%, isn't it? The number we are having 25%, we have to convert that number in the form of a decimal fraction. Okay, so 25%, it can be written as 25 upon 100, isn't it? Now cancel it, 25 ones and 25 fours will be 100, so it will be get cancelled. What is the number we are getting as 1 by 4, which is a fraction. Now we have to convert it into a decimal fraction. If it is a decimal fraction, 1 by 4 will be divided and we will get the answer as 0.25. Clear? So in this way you have to convert the percent into number. Next question we are having for the same 150%. So here 150% we are having 150%. In order to convert it into a decimal fraction, what you have to do, 150 will be percent notation, that means 1 by 100, isn't it? So here 100 will come, so 0 will get cancelled, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15, so 3 by 2 we will get the answer over here as a fraction form. Since it is set to form of decimal fraction, so divide it, you will get the required answer, and everybody know how to divide, isn't it? So we will get the answer as 1.5. Clear? So 20% is given, so in the same way you have to do, you will get the answer as 0.5. Then next D part of the question is, answer will be 0.05 will be the answer. Okay, now let's have the revision of question number 7. So here in this question number 7, it is said that in a city 30% are females, 40% are male. So altogether 30 plus 40 is how much? 70%, isn't it? If 30% are females and 40% are male, then what you have to do is, you have to do 30%, okay, 30% are female and 40% are male, remaining are children. What are the percents of children are there? That means here you have to find the percentage of children. So female we are having as 30%, male we are having as a 40%, isn't it? Now whole together, female and male, if we are going to add, it will be 70% we will get, and all together the percent will be, we are considering as 100%. So 100 minus 70 will be how much? 30. So number of children in the form of a percent will be 30% are the children. In the same way, question number 8 we are having, out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters over here. So here in this question we are going to find the percentage of voters and also the percentage of the people who did not given the vote. Okay, so how many total number of voters are there? Total number of voters are 15,000. Percentage of people who voted in the election is 60%, and as we people know that total percent is 100, so 100 minus 60%, how much it will be? It will be 40%. That means 40% of the people did not given their votes. Okay, so 40% of 15,000 we are going to find. So 40% of, that means into 15,000 we are going to find. So 14% of 15,000, that means 40% will be upon 100 into 15,000. Okay, so 2 zeros from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. So 40 into 150, you will get the answer as 6,000 people who had not given the votes in the elections. So 6,000 people who did not given the votes. So this is the solution of 8th question. In the same way, we will going to see the 2 more questions as a revision we will have. So here is, Meeta saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. If this is the 10% of her salary, what is her salary is. That means you have to find the salary in amount form. Okay, so Meeta saves how much rupees? She is going to save rupees 4,000, isn't it? That means if this is the 10% of salary, 10% of salary, here percent is given as 10% of salary. Okay, so what is her salary? So what you have to do, let the salary be x, let the salary which she is getting in monthly at the end of the month, okay, monthly salary of Meeta will be x. So 10% of it is, or of her salary, it is said in the question too. So 10% of x is equals to 4,000. Okay, so 10%, that means 10 upon 100 into x is equals to 4,000. Solving this equation, you will get the required answer as 40,000. So what is a Meeta's salary is 40,000 per month. Clear? Now next one, a local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. Okay, how much matches they were going to play in one season? That is 20 matches. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? So here we are having total matches played by the local team is 20, and out of 20 matches, 25% matches will be won by the people. So 25% of 20 we are going to find. So 25 upon 100 into 20. Okay, so 0 0 will get cancelled, 1 here 5, again 25 upon 5 will be get cancelled. So what is the answer we will get? 5. So 5 matches where the local team were going to win out of 20 matches. So this is the solution of so this is the revision of exercise 8.2. okay, so dear student, if you are having the doubt, can ask me through the WhatsApp number related to this chapter and this topic. Tomorrow we will have the revision of 8.2. So for today, thank you everyone.